So welcome back guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to solve problem number 1325p, and the problem name is copy 5 times. Okay, so the time limit per test is 1 second. Okay, so the problem statement can be read as: Ehab has an array A of length n. He has just enough free time to make a new array consisting of n copies of the old array written back to back. Okay, so he has got some free time and he is creating n copies of the old array written back to back. What will be the length of the new array's longest increasing subsequence? Okay, so a sequence A is a subsequence of an array B if A can be obtained from B by deletion of several, possibly 0 or all elements. Okay, so that means if A is a subsequence of B, that means you can extract A from B by deleting some of the elements or 0 elements or all the elements. How can you delete all the elements if you want A? Okay, jokes apart. So the longest increasing subsequence of an array is the longest subsequence such that its elements are ordered in strictly increasing order. Okay, that is cool. So the first line contains an integer t, the number of test cases you need to solve. The description of test cases is as follows. The first line of each test case contains an integer n, okay, the number of elements in the array, and the second line contains n space separated integers. For each test case, output the length of the longest array increasing subsequence of A if you can concatenate it to itself n times. Okay, so too much blurry stuff, no issues. You have to just print the length of the newest array longest subsequence. So let me just copy paste that into the whiteboard. Okay, so this is our input test case, and this is the my font is too big. The test case number, this is the number of elements in array, the length of array, and these are the elements of array. Cool. The length of the array 6. Okay, so now this is also the length of the array. Now as he has got some free time, then he has created the copies of the array. Okay, so let's talk about the first test case, why it is not copy pasting. Oh my god, it crashed. Okay, no issues. I'm sorry for that guys. Let me just copy that once again. Okay, no issues. Now as we have talked about the case 1 to 3 to 1, and he have created 3 copies for it. So now you have to find the longest increasing subsequence. I think there should be on the one line, then it will make sense, and without commas. Okay, cool, makes sense. So he has created 3 copies now. Now we have to find the longest increasing subsequence. So the first element, which is the lowest element, is this. Now the second lowest element in the second block is this, and the third lowest element is this. So the longest increasing subsequence is 1, 2, 3 from the 3 blocks of the array presented by this guy. Okay, so for the next test case, let's talk about 314159. So I'm not going to write it like 6 times. Can we just copy paste that? I think so. Yeah, we can do that, but it's a cut feature. No, add to the current page. Okay, No, sorry. So I do not know how to use that feature. No issues. I can just write it quickly. And it's going to crash again, I think. No. I think yes. No. Is it going to? No, it has not crashed. So okay. So 314159 and copy pasting it 6 times. Have we done it? 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6. Cool. So now the first lower element is 1 from the first block. The second is 3 from the second block. So as we have to find the longest increasing subsequence, so that's why I'm talking about the first lowest element, the second lowest element, and the third lowest element, the fourth lowest element, and the fifth lowest element. Cool. So the longest increasing subsequence has length. You have to just print the length, you do not have to find anything else. So 1 2 3 4 5. So I think the output is 5. So okay, so you have to print the longest increasing subsequence, and as the test case and the problem suggests that the Ahab guy has created the number of n number of copies, so you will find all these repeating digits n times. So the answer to the solution to this problem is that you have to find the um, the different types of element present in this set. So if the input is 3 2 1, then the different, like the distinct elements in this are 3. Okay, so the answer is the length of the subsequence will be 3, because you are going to find the first element in first block, second in second block, and the third in third block. Okay, now for this, that is number of distinct elements is 1 2 3 4 and 1 time 1, so 5. So yeah, that will be the increasing subsequence, and the answer is 5. So I think that made sense. Anything else to be explained? I think not. Why I have chosen the distinct elements? Because we are finding the first lowest element in the first block, second in the second block, and the third in the third block. So initially we just did the number of distinct elements in the initial array, and we just have to find these distinct elements in all the copies of the array, which will be equal to the sorted longest increasing subsequence. Cool. So yes, we can like directly write the code. Problem number 1325p, and the problem link is /problem/1325/p. Now I have to take the number of test cases here. If anything I have not explained, to guys do comment, and yeah, if I have explained very well, then also comment. Thank you. So now this is the next number of n elements. I can create a set of integers which will count my distinct elements. I said why I have created a set, because set will not contain any duplicated values. So yeah, now I will just input that, and okay, I have to create an array also for that. Sorry. So yeah, let me also just check that int can store these type of values. 10 to the power 9. Let's just take long. Okay, long. Okay, sorry, long. Okay, now you have to just put that add AI. Cool. Now you have to just print distinct elements of size. Makes sense. Now we are ready to run that code. Let's see what the output comes. 4. So it is running only for the first time. Okay. So there's something which is wrong here. Okay. I don't know why did it worked. Something is wrong. Yeah, it worked. So nothing was wrong. Just a minor change, and we are going to submit that onto the Codeforces. Package Codeforces removed. Okay. Now in queue. Oh shit. The time is like a little off, and our problem is going to be in queue for a long time. I think that the server is not working for Codeforces. So guys, this is the solution for the problem, and yeah, it will take time, so I will not wait for the like the queue to end. It will like, I do not know how much time it will take, probably 1 hour, 2 hour, or n hours according to the Codeforces server. So thank you guys. uh, we have completed problem number 1325b, and guys, do stay safe from the coronavirus, and do keep coding and coding corona. Bye bye.